Listen up. Does the thought of being in a situation where you cannot verbally communicate with someone keep you up at night? Well, a couple minutes ago, the answer to that question should have been yes. However, there's no need to fear. I introduced to you Morse code, a system of communication that does not require any words. You see, before Morse code, if you were to get kidnapped, you were probably dead. But now, if you decide to approach this very non-suspicious looking van, you might actually have another chance at life. Aside from all the kidnapping talk, however, there are many other instances where Morse code would be helpful. You see, it could be used in things like the military. It could be used to talk bad about people in front of them without them knowing. It's also just a really good idea to learn a new form of communication, because communication is like the most important thing about running a functional society. Even if you're lost at sea and all you have is a little piece of glass to reflect the sunlight, you can still use Morse code to try and send help. Get ahead of the game early and learn Morse code now. It could save your life.